Hey friends, welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jahid. In today's episode, we are going to practice speaking English together. Real questions and natural answers. This is real-life conversation practice. Here is how it works. I'll ask you a question, something simple and useful about daily life. Then I will give you some example answers, short answers and longer answers. And then you will answer too, out loud, in your own words, and I will give you time. That's it. You listen, you speak, and you grow. Let's begin. All right, let's begin with the first question. What's the first thing you do after you wake up? Say it with me slowly. What is the first thing you do after you wake up? Here is my short answer. I check my phone. My longer answer is, the first thing I do is check my phone. I turn off my alarm and look at my messages. Okay, now you try. What is the first thing you do after you wake up? I'll give you 20 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time. Great. Maybe you could say, I brush my teeth right away. I open the window and stretch. Or, I stay in bed for 5 minutes and think about my day. Great work. Now, try again. I'll give you 15 seconds. Nice work. Let's move on. What do you hear right now? Repeat after me. What do you hear right now? Let me answer. I hear birds. I hear birds. That is my short answer. My longer answer is, I hear birds outside. It's peaceful and quiet. Now, even a longer answer would be something like this. Right now, I hear some birds near my window. It's a soft sound. I also hear a car passing by on the road. It's a calm morning, and everything feels slow. Okay, now your turn. What do you hear right now? I'll give you 20 seconds. All right. Maybe you could say, I hear people talking downstairs. I hear traffic from the street. Or, I hear music from another room. Now, try again. I'll give you 15 seconds. You can describe the sounds more. Are they loud or soft? Do you like them? Are they fast or slow? Now, say your answer again with more detail. I'll give you 15 seconds. Okay, well done. Here is the next one. What time do you usually go to bed? Let's say it slowly together. What time do you usually go to bed? Here is my short answer. I go to bed at 11. I go to bed at 11. A longer answer is, I usually go to bed around 11 p.m., sometimes later if I'm not tired. Now I want to add more detail. A longer answer would be something like this. I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. I try to sleep early because I get up at 7 in the morning, but sometimes I stay up late. It depends on the day. Okay, now your turn. What time do you usually go to bed? I'll give you 20 seconds. Great. Maybe you could say, I go to bed very late, around 1 a.m. Or, I sleep early. I feel better when I go to bed at 9. Or, my bedtime changes every day. Now, repeat it again. Try adding more about why or how you feel before bed. I'll give you 15 seconds. Great job. Let's keep going. What do you always carry with you? Repeat slowly. What do you always carry with you? Here is my short answer. I always carry my phone. I always carry my phone. I want to add more. I always carry my phone, keys, and wallet. I need them every day. Now, I want to add more detail. Here is my longer answer. I never leave home without my phone, my wallet, and my house keys. They're always in my pocket. Sometimes I also carry a notebook or headphones, especially if I'm going to be out for a long time. Now it's your turn. What do you always carry? I'll give you 20 seconds. Great. Maybe you could say, I always carry a bottle of water. I carry my student ID and headphones. Or, I always have a book in my bag. All right. Now say your answer again. Add why you carry it. When do you use it? I'll give you 15 seconds. Excellent. Time for the next one. What is something you're learning right now? What is something you're learning right now? Here is my short answer. I'm learning English. A longer answer would be something like this. I'm learning English this year. I study a little every day. Now, I want to add more detail. Okay, now your turn. What are you learning right now? I'll give you 20 seconds. Good. Maybe you could say, I'm learning how to play the guitar. I'm studying for my driver's license. Or, I'm learning English. That's why I'm here. Now say it again. Add more. What is it that you're learning? Why are you learning it? And how do you study? I'll give you 20 seconds. Good job. Now, let's talk about food. What is something you never eat? What is something you never eat? Here is my short answer. I never eat mushrooms. Now, here is my longer answer. I never eat mushrooms because I don't like the taste. Now, if I want to add more detail, my longer answer would be something like this. I never eat mushrooms. I have tried them many times, but I just don't like the flavor or the texture. They feel strange in my mouth. Okay, now you try. What is something you never eat? I'll give you 20 seconds. Great. Maybe you could say, I never eat spicy food. It's too hot for me. Or, I don't eat meat. I'm vegetarian. Or, I never eat seafood because I'm allergic. Now add more details. Why not? What happens if you eat it? I'll give you 20 seconds. Great speaking. Now, let's talk about happiness. What is something that makes you happy? Here is my short answer. Music makes me happy. Here is my longer answer. Listening to music makes me feel happy and calm. Now, even a longer answer would be something like this. Music always makes me happy. When I feel tired or sad, I put on my headphones and play my favorite songs. It helps me relax and think positively. Sometimes I even sing along. Now you try. What makes you happy? Great. Maybe you could say, spending time with my family makes me happy. Or, watching funny videos makes me smile. Or, cooking for my friends makes me feel good. Now, say your answer again. Add more emotion. Explain why it makes you happy. I'll give you 20 seconds. Beautiful. This next one is about fear. What is something you're afraid of? What is something you're afraid of? Here is my short answer. I'm afraid of heights. I'm afraid of heights. A longer answer would be, I'm afraid of heights. I don't like being on tall buildings. Now, a longer answer would be something like this. I'm afraid of heights. When I stand somewhere high, my legs feel weak and I get nervous. Even climbing a tall ladder makes my heart beat fast. I always feel better when I'm back on the ground. Now it's your turn. What are you afraid of? Great. You could say, I'm afraid of spiders. I'm afraid of flying. Or, I'm afraid of speaking in public. Okay. Now say your answer again. Add more. What happens when you face it? I'll give you 20 seconds. You're doing great, my friend. Let's look forward. What is one thing you want to do this year? What is one thing you want to do this year? Here is my short answer. I want to travel. I want to travel. Now, a longer answer is, I want to travel to a new country this year. Now you try. What is one thing you want to do this year? Great. Maybe you could say, I want to start a new job. I want to study English more seriously. Or, I want to save money and buy a car. Now say your answer again, but longer. Explain why you want to do it. Well done. Let's talk about small problems. What is something that annoys you? What is something that annoys you? Here is my short answer. Loud noises annoy me. Loud noises annoy me. To annoy means to bother. Here is my longer answer. I get annoyed when people talk loudly on the phone. Now you try. What is something that annoys you? Great. Maybe you could say, it annoys me when people are late. Or, I get annoyed when my phone battery dies. Or, it annoys me when someone interrupts me. Now say your answer again. Try to add a story or reason. Great work. Let's imagine a rainy day. What do you like to do in the rain? What do you like to do in the rain? My short answer is, I like to stay home. I like to stay home. My longer answer is, I like to stay home and drink tea when it rains. Now your turn. What do you like to do in the rain? Good job. Maybe you could say, I like walking in the rain. Or, I like sleeping when it rains. Or, I watch movies and relax. Now say your answer again, but make it longer. Try to describe your feelings. Excellent. Here is the next question. Let's dream a little. What is your dream job? What is your dream job? Here is my short answer. My dream job is to be a teacher. My dream job is to be a teacher. And here is a longer answer. My dream job is to be a teacher because I love helping people learn. And here is even a longer answer. My dream job is to be a teacher. I want to help students become more confident and successful in life. I enjoy sharing knowledge and encouraging people to believe in themselves. Teaching makes me feel happy and proud. Now you try. What is your dream job? Great. Maybe you could say, I want to be a doctor. Or, my dream job is to be a businessman. Or, I want to open my own business. Now, say your answer again. Add more. Why do you want that job? How does it make you feel? Perfect. That's it for today's conversation practice. You just answered a lot of real questions in English. You practiced speaking from your own life. You practiced thinking in English. And you practiced building longer and more natural answers. This is how fluency begins. One question, one answer, one day at a time. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep going. Thank you so much for listening to another episode of Learn and Success. I'm Jahid, and until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.